Hello, my dear students. Good morning. Welcome to our today's math class. Today we are learn about new chapter. Chapter name is chapter number 6. Yes, many a drop make an ocean. Yes, many a drop make an ocean. Then all of you take your maths textbook, page number 107. All of you take page number 107. Okay, let's start the class. Okay, we all heard about the proverb in Malayalam. Yes, palatulli peruvellam. Yes, that means many a drop make an ocean. Yes, here we can see a one page of diary. Did you see? Yes. Whose diary is that? Mayuga's diary. In January 12, Tuesday. Then we can read that. Today, Sabina teacher asked us to do experiments with the water. My group did a lot of experiments. I liked them all. We were asked to guess which of the two buckets had more water. Later, we found my guess was correct. How do you think she found that her guess was correct? How do you think Mayuga guess it her her guess is correct? Yes, maybe teacher will show and teacher will say which bucket has more water and teacher will show you two buckets of water. After that, Mayugas understand her guess is correct, isn't it? Yes. Then next topic, which contains more. That means see the bucket teacher brought to your class which can hold more water. These experiments also we have to do when we are in school. Now it's not possible. Okay. Now you can do by your own in your home. You can ask your parents' helps to ask two buckets of water. Two buckets of water, and you have to find which bucket has more water. Okay. Which first you have to guess it. After that you have to measure it, which bucket has more water. Okay, in when we are in school we have to do by these experiments when teacher will show two buckets with water in right side and left side, and you have to guess it which right side bucket or left side bucket, which bucket has more water. First you have to guess it. After that you have to compare your guess is right or wrong. Okay. Next topic is, yes, watering the plants. This activity is also you have to do by your own. Yes, we have to see the picture. That's a group of students. They are watering the plants with a bucket of water, and also use a cup to each plant. One cup of water for each plant. You have to do in your home with a bucket with a one bucket of water and a cup of water for each plant. First you have to guess it how many plants we can water with one bucket. First you have to guess it, and you guess is right in this box. First you have to guess how many plants we have to water with one bucket. After that we have to measure each plant. How we have to measure, how many plants can we water with one bucket. Then you have to count it. Okay. Then you have to compare your guess is right or wrong. Okay. The next topic is drinking water. How many glasses of water do you drink each day? 10 glass, 7 glass, 12, Okay, then you have to write in this box how many glass of water do you drink in each day. Okay, okay, then kids need to drink 12 glass. How many glasses kids need? Yes, 12 glasses. Then 12 glasses of water every day. And adult need how many glasses? 18 glasses. Okay, then in Mayuga's home for father and mother how many glasses? 18 glasses each. And for me and brother, that means Mayuga and her brother need how many glasses? 12 glasses each. Then in Mayuga's home, there is her father, mother, and elder brother. Then we have to find it. How many glasses of drinking water do they need in each day? Then we have to find it. Father need 18 glass. Father need 18 glass and mother need also 18 glass. Mother need, yes, 18 glass. And Mayuga need how many glasses? Yes, 12 glass. Mayuga need 12 glass. Yes, 12 glass. And her brother need how many glasses? Yes, 12 glasses also. Then we have to find how many glasses of drinking water do they need each day. Then how will you find it? Yes, we have to add the total number. That means father need 18, that is 18 plus mother need also 18, that is 18 plus 18 plus 12 plus 12. Then you have to write in this box that answer. That means 18 plus 18 plus 12 plus 12, that is 18 plus 8 is, yes, 16. Then 16 plus 2, 16 plus 2 is, yes, 18. And 18 plus 2, that is 20, that is 2 is 0 is right in this ones place and remaining 2 is right in this 10th place. That means 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, and 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 1 is, yes, 6, that is 60 glasses of water. 60 glasses of water in they need. Okay, do you understand? Okay, then that box, all of you write that answer, 60 glass. Okay, then next, for what other things do we use water? Then other things, yes, for bath we use water, for cooking we use water, and for watering the garden also we use water, and for farming also we use water. Then other things you have do right in this space. Other things, yes, cleaning utensils, and also we use water. So, and also you use fire extinguisher we use water also. Okay, then you have to write in that space. Okay, cleaning utensils, cleaning utensils. Okay, and also next use you have to write by your own. Okay, next topic is in my home. Yes, how much water does your family use each day? Find out. Yes, purpose. In we had to see a table. That means a first column is purpose, and next column you have to write the amount of water. That means in bucket, 1 bucket or 2 bucket or 3 bucket. Then purpose. First purpose is, yes, bathing. Bathing. For bathing, how many buckets of water we use it? you have to write by your own. Okay, in your home, how many buckets of water for use this bathing purpose? Okay, then next purpose is washing clothes. Washing clothes. Okay, you have to find how many buckets of water you had used in your home. And the next purpose is, yes, watering plants. Watering plants. Okay, in this purpose also you had to check how many amount of water, how many buckets we had used in your home. Also ask your friends in these same purposes, this same purpose, and how many water, how many buckets of water used in your friend's home. And you have to check your answer and your friend's answer and compare with your answers and find it whose family use more water, whose family use more water, and find it and write in this box. Okay, try to your own. Teacher will say that write this purpose and you have to find this amount of water. Okay, your in your home and also in your friend's home, and compare your answers. Okay, then next topic is water usage. See the amount of water used in the last 2 days at Hasna's and Mia's home. Hasna used 46 vessels water and for household chores, and 36 vessels for water for watering vegetable. That means Hasna used 46 buckets of water for household needs and 36 buckets of water for watering vegetable. And Mia used 33 vessels for household chores and 58 vessels for watering vegetable. And Mia used how many vessels? Yes, 33 buckets of water for household needs and 58 buckets of water for watering vegetable. Yes, next we have to find how many vessels in all did each use. Yes, Hasna need how many, how will we find? Yes, we have to add it. 46 plus 36. Yes, 6 plus 6 is 12. That means, yes, 46 plus 36 is 82. Yes, 82. Then Mia how to find? Yes, 33 plus 58. That is 91. Yes, correct. 91 vessels. Okay, you have to do by your own to find it. Add vertical down to down add. Okay. Okay, let's wind up today's class. Thank you. Thank you so much, my dear students.